Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight, US markets closed higher as the latest earnings reports from Nvidia and other major technology companies lifted investor sentiment. The Dow Jones gained 0.2%, while the S&P 500 rose 0.72%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq outperformed, climbing 1.57%. Asian markets were trading mixed this morning. The Kospi was down nearly 1%, while the Nikkei rose 0.6% and the Topix gained 0.7%. Australia's ASX 200 was also up 0.3% in early trading. Nifty closed at 24,091 in the previous session, marking a loss of 117 points. The index extended its losing streak for the second straight session, led by weakness in metal and PSU bank stocks. The index closed near the medium-term upward-sloping trend line in place since April 2nd, currently placed around 24,080, making the 24,000 zone crucial. For the bullish momentum to revive, Nifty needs a decisive close above 24,350, while 24,000 and 23,800 will act as key positional supports. For today's session, the previous session's high of 24,297, followed by 24,350, will remain the crucial resistance levels. On the downside, 24,000 and 23,800 will act as immediate support levels. Overall, holding above 24,000 to 23,800 zone will be important to prevent further weakness and keep the broader market structure constructive. Benchmark indices surrendered their morning gains and ended lower as selling in banking and metals, expiry volatility, and caution ahead of Jackson Hole weighed on sentiment. The rupee weakened 1 paise to 95.45 against the US dollar, while FII sold 298 crore rupees in the cash market, taking monthly net inflows to 29,988 crore rupees. In the derivatives market, Nifty futures fell 147 points, with open interest rising 6.2%, indicating a short build-up. Premiums narrowed from 221 to 191 points. Bank Nifty futures declined 319 points, also seeing a short build-up, with premiums easing from 437 to 393 points. In the options market, call writing at 24,200 and put hedging at 23,800 pulled Nifty PCR down from 1.17 to 0.91. Bank Nifty PCR also eased from 1.18 to 1.16. India VIX jumped 4.8% to 11.07, signaling higher volatility. The FII long-short ratio declined from 0.12 to 0.11. Bearish FII sold futures, reduced calls and added puts. Proprietary desks also remained bearish, selling calls and adding puts, while bullish clients added futures and calls and aggressively wrote puts. For today, the key levels to watch are 23,900 as strong support and 24,300 as major resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.